Thanks, folks. We're looking good. When we get to the Supreme Court and I'm giving orders to Group 1, that does not affect this group. So you'll be kneeling, and I want you to stay kneeling when I'm ordering Group 1.
Pick up the pace. Close ranks, all right?
Before dying, I would like to share these poems of my soul. My verses are light green. I do not cultivate thistles nor nettles.
Great.
I cultivate a white rose. Con los pobres de la tierra quiero yo mi suerte echar.
Make a right, maintain your 2 lines. 2 lines.
Prisoner. Mike. Stop. Turn, face the Supreme Court.
I feel real safe.
More and more American citizens are sharing their thoughts with us. Reaches 0 at the earliest possible time. Supreme Court commemorates the death of these individuals while in indefinite confinement. Her writing work allowed her to wrestle with what it meant to be raised by survivors of genocide in the shadow of great loss and absence. Yael grew up with images, scents, sounds, and thoughts that were
Continue up to the Supreme Court door!
Her mother's milk taught her about the expansive universe of human cruelty, suffering, and optimism. Much of her poetry speaks to that legacy and the long effects of violence on victims, survivors, and households.
My heart was ruined by the strangeness.
I will offer advice out of pure cordiality, advice from one who has experienced the impossible, starting to happen.
Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush!
Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush!
Arrest Bush! Arrest Bush!
Save our country! Protect the Constitution! Protect the Constitution! Protect the Constitution! Protect the Constitution!
By the Department of Defense, under conditions that should shock whether that was okay. And it might just do that. This is how it happens. Argument by argument. How long an enemy combatant can be detained? The answer was that it happens in time.
Head back down on the sidewalk, go up there, and then
Thank you, Chuck. Those were very important words for us. Amanda?
13, 14 years of age.
Artie, where are you going?
Parents weeping for their children. Fathers wrenched from their families. And year after year, for 6 years, missing births and deaths.
The administration is hoping the Supreme Court.
Shut it down! Guantánamo! Shut it down!
people. We must put an end to the shutdown of Guantánamo. Yeah. Thank you all for coming.
Shut it down! 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 Funny, right? Just stay right there. Hey, somebody's gonna die here today. Somebody's gonna die here today. Is it gonna be us? Is it gonna be us? Somebody's gonna die here today. Where are the weapons? It's gonna be you, or it's gonna be your brother who's gonna die here today. Are you ready to die here today? Are you ready for me? Are you ready? Listen out here. Somebody's gonna die here today, and you gotta decide if it's gonna be you. Listen to me. Where are the weapons? Get this motherfucker out of here. It's standing back there. Come on. Get on your feet. You're still alive. I don't know why. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
And our state does this knowing there's no actionable intelligence from this. It's torture, intimidation.
I certainly feel very secure with all these fine policemen standing around me. I don't think anybody's going to pick my pocket.